Hello everyone, welcome to IEEE Projects channel. Today we are going to see one more new project, that is a smart student attendance system using face recognition technology. So to run this project, let's as usual open Anaconda prompt. The software used for this project are like Anaconda prompt, sorry Anaconda, then Visual Studio, VS Code Studio, then Python, then OpenCV, then R Cascade, etc. So let's begin. CD space paste the path where your project is stored. So we need to create first environment. So for example, let's see which Python version we have used for this project. So it's a Python 3.11. So let's create one environment uh, you with Python 3.11. So I will name this environment as attendance. Let's see. So here we are going to create a new environment with Python version 3.11 in Anaconda. So let's press yes. Why? So environment is getting created. Once our environment get created, you can activate your environment using this command, conda activate attendance. So attendance is our environment name. So let's install the required libraries. Install pip install -r requirement.txt. So hit enter. So here you can see uh, our libraries are getting installed. I will pause the recording meanwhile. So important libraries have been installed. The main important libraries are like face recognition library, then OpenCV Python library, then next is like a Click or a dlib, NumPy. These are the some libraries which are useful for this project. So next, let's see the DB structure. So here we are using SQLite as a database for this project. So this is your requirement libraries file. This is a train module which will train the face recognition. So this is DB init. Here it will install the database. It will create the tables for SQLite database. So let's first create the database or create the tables. Python space DB init. Okay. So here you will see database is created successfully. See this. Your database is created here. DB smart attendance. If you want to see this, there is one software, something DB browser. This software you can see the tables and all. So let's open open database, then go to your project path, smart student attendance system. Select your database file and click OK. So you can see the different tables here. First is the table attendance where student and timestamp is getting stored. Table notice, table staff, then table status attendance, table student where student information is there, and then table subject. These are some basic tables are there. So next step is to Python run our application, Python app.py. So let's pip install Flask. Flask library was not installed in my laptop, so it asked me to install that. So let let's see what is the issue. So once we have installed the required library, so let's run our application. we have also initialized the database as we have already seen it. So Python space app.py. So it will run your application on this localhost and port number 5000. So let's open it. So here we go. So here we have one login, admin login. We can say username is admin and password is also admin. So admin can see this menu here. So from here, add uh, admin can add staff, add subject. For example, let's add the subject here. So I am adding physics, for example, physics. Then it is for first year, then semester first, then here we have to select staff, but we don't have any staff added. So let's add staff first. So add staff. So let's select Chandan Kumar Singh, Chandan 12345, and this is a mobile number. Let's 73507066. Qualification is B. So I'm going to add one staff here. You can see a staff is added here. So before adding subject, we need to add staff first. From here, you can delete this staff as well. So let's go back to add subject. So let's physics. I'm selecting subject as physics. It is for first year, semester one. Then here, the staff which we have already added, the staff will get listed here. So submit. So we have already add subject, and we can add multiple subject and assign multiple subject to multiple single staff or vice versa. So after that, we need to add student. So to add student, we are using webcam here. So let's begin add student. So while adding student, it will capture the face of the student. So let's enter the student detail, CRN number, then for example, Pramodian, email ID, a pramod@gmail.com, password is 12345, mobile number, any mobile number. Let's see, class FE, division A, and it will capture the student photo here. So submit. Once student detail are filled in the database, it will go to this folder for training purpose. So you can see here inside the data set, there are multiple images of student are there. So this is the training data set for student. After this training, inside recognizer, you will see the recognizer is also get created using OpenCV. And if you go inside this table uh, and browse data, then select the table, for example, TBL student, then one student is getting added. A staff is also there. If you select subject is also there. This subject is assigned to the staff. So from here we can browse the data. From here we can browse the data. Table staff, then student, a number of student you can add, number of subject you can add, and also you can add multiple staff as well. So next part is here you can see the details of that student PRN number, name, class, attendance is 0, total is 0, and percentage are 0 because no lecture has been started. So from this staff can send any notice to any student, gmail.com, for example, exam notice, ex- in same exam is scheduled on 1st March, for example. So here you can send notice, it will go to the inbox of the student. So in this way, there are multiple options for staff, like send notice, add student, view student, add staff, add subject, and view staff, and also delete staff. He admin can do this activity. Let's log out from this dashboard. Log out. Okay. So next login is of the staff. Staff can log in and he can start the attendance. You can see once staff login, here in this drop down list, you will see the all subject assigned to the particular staff. For example, right now we have only assigned only one subject to the staff. So let's see start attendance. So you can see here attendance is getting added to the database. Something wrong happened. Let me check it. So staff can select subject assigned to him and he can start attendance. So here you can see the live camera has been started and this camera will capture the attendance of particular student. Once a student attendance is get captured, it will not repeat attendance of particular student, because here we have added one flag, that is the attendance should not be, if one student appear twice or multiple time in the in between the attendance, it should not get added repetitively. So we have keep flag, we have keep timer for 10 minutes here, 600 milliseconds, so it is equal to 10 minutes. So within 10 minutes attendance will not getting repeat. Okay, so you can see here, let's stop the attendance. See here, stop attendance. Once stop the attendance, it will, it is taking some time. Okay, so attendance has been stopped. So stop log out, and again let's log in with admin credentials. And you, if you go to view student, you can see attendance has been marked. So total one lecture has been completed and attendance of student is 1. So this project can capture multiple student attendance at a time. Also, it will not iterate the attendance. That means once attendance is get captured, it will not capture attendance for same student again. Next time it will get captured when new lecture has been started. So let's see the folder structure. Uh, let's see like, so here this is the folder structure. Here dbinit file will initialize your database. That means it will create the tables, required table, for example table students, then table staff, then a table subject, etc. It will create multiple tables, table attendance, table notice, and table status of attendance, etc. So this file will create your database. This database will get created, DB Smart Attendance. So also this is a DB connection for insert, delete, update, whatever DDL or DML queries you are going to execute. This is under this DB connection file. This is a HAR cascade for your face recognition, and this is training to for training purpose. That is, it will create the recognizer module here. These are the some library required, and this is your app.py, that is Flask server coding. Inside template you will see multiple HTML pages are there. Inside static folder there are CSS and images which are useful for project. Yeah, I think that's it. So if you want to if you want in detail explanation or training of this video, you can contact me on My mobile number or WhatsApp 7350706868. Thank you so much for your time. Let's see you in detail video. Thank you so much.